Are there as many even numbers as there are whole numbers? Well, of course not. All even numbers are whole numbers, and not all whole numbers are even numbers, meaning there are twice as many whole numbers as there are even numbers. Right? Wrong, there are exactly as many even numbers as there are whole numbers. But how? Well, we can see there are infinitely many even numbers and infinitely many whole numbers. But wait, I heard that some infinities are larger than others. Well, this generally boils down to countable infinities and uncountable infinities. In countable infinities, we can count from one number to the next. These are sets like the natural numbers, even numbers, and multiples of 10. With these sets, we can connect each number to a unique number in the integers, such that each integer is mapped to. This means we have a bijection, which logically brings them to be the same size. But an uncountable infinity has infinitely many numbers between these infinitely many numbers. This means that there's no way to count from one number to the next. Now, since both even numbers and whole numbers are countable infinities, they must have the same size. In fact, we can do the same thing with shapes. If we take a unit square and circle in R squared, we can see that the circle is clearly smaller than the square. But since both shapes contain the same number of points, being uncountably infinite, they're the same size in cardinality. So while intuitively there are twice as many whole numbers as there are even numbers, it turns out there are exactly the same amount.